Hi guys, my name is Shahid. I am here to talk about today's seminar topic. Today's was an interesting seminar topic. Okay, first I want to say that my seminar topic is Web 3.0. Before going for that, I want to introduce some kind of things. If we want to know Web 3.0, we have to know about what is Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. Let's discover about Web 1.0. If I am discussing about Web 1.0, it's an open source decentralized read-only platform. In that time, we only have ability to read that content in that web browser. If we go for it, I click for a link, we can read that. That time there was styling is not an important thing. We that's like a document. We have to only read that things. It's an open source. Anyone can go through it and read any data. But after the 2004 to 2005, the web 1.0 only stay. After that, 2004 and 2005, about that age, the web 2.0 was introduced. The web 2.0 was, we are now using web 2.0. That's the main thing. The web 2.0 has ability. It's a read and write platform, open source platform. Of course, an open source platform, and we have to know it's centralized. We have, because the giant companies or IT big IT hubs are controlling our life or our data. If we come to web 2.0, we have say everything, because when the web 2.0 was introduced only because of the main thing. That reason for the web 2.0 was the introduction of Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, that kind of things. In that kind of things, we have ability to give content. They are giving free. Why they are giving free? They are investing so many time to make a big app like Facebook, YouTube. Why they are giving us free? Because we are their income. If you get a product free, that means the product is you are the product. That's the thing we are doing in every day. I'm taking an example. If we are searching in Amazon, we just search a content or whatever, just Apple iPhone, we just search it. When we back to Instagram, that Apple's advertisement is everywhere. Did you know in 2017, I remember that, I just think that in 2017, about that age, WhatsApp has introduced it, WhatsApp updates the terms and conditions. In that terms and conditions, everybody is afraid and changed to Signal, that kind of application. But now, what happened? Everyone using WhatsApp. They are, what I want to say, they are taking our old data. They have the power what to do with that data. That's the main thing. That's a centralized thing. In some persons are taking all the control of our data. If we nowadays, what I want to say, Facebook introduced a Ray-Ban glass with a lens, what I want, camera on the lens, goggles. In that camera, the old data are passed to Facebook. How can we believe him? Mark Zuckerberg. I'm not telling all the centralized things to Mark Zuckerberg. It's Amazon. Amazon is the big. You know what about AWS, Amazon Web Services? In that services, the 90% of website we are using, the 90% of website are under the AWS, Amazon Web Service. They are the, what I want to say, they have the power to do whatever they want. That's it. Why we are just a door for their product. They can do whatever with our data. That's a simple thing. If we just consider in Donald Trump, we have a great example. Twitter, Facebook are banned Donald Trump. Then that Donald Trump introduced to their followers to follow him in digital a parlor. It's parlors. That's an app. Follow him on that app. And the Apple Store, Play Store just banned that app. Remove that app from their App Store and Play Stores. And also AWS, they are the server for that parallel app. They remove the app from the server. Now Donald Trump is digitally homeless. These are the centralized thing. The major disadvantages of Web 2.0 is centralized thing, and that other things are good for us because we can build connections in through Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. That kind of application we can make connections. But what about our privacy? That we have to think about what about our privacy. It's all under the man. If a man have power, he have ability to cheat. Why we are giving the power? The main reason is trust. If we trust a person blindly, because we are trusting our privacy, our data, our resources to a centralized company like Amazon, Facebook named as Meta, a Facebook alias Meta, that kind of things. We are giving our old data to them. Why? We are trusting them. If we are trusting them, there will be a chance of cheating. It's what happens proportionally equal to, if trust goes up, the probability of cheating also goes up. That's where Web 3.0 was introduced. Now it's in a starting stage. Web 3.0. If we consider about Web 3.0, we all hear about Web 3.0 through Bitcoin. We all know what is Bitcoin. It's a digital currency. Bitcoin is, and the blockchain, the important thing in Web 3.0. If you are considering the blockchain and Web 3.0, these kind blockchain, Bitcoin are under the Web 3.0. The Web 3.0 introducing decentralized open source read-only platform. We can do whatever we can. Our data will be secure and more precise. If we consider we do what we have to do, we do a transaction through Amazon Pay. Just think about Amazon Pay. I'm not only giving all fault to Amazon and Mark Zuckerberg. I'm just giving an example. They have our every data. If they are saying that they are encrypted, they are doing that kind of things, we have that much potential, we have that much privacy, whatever they say is that, but we know that our everything is, everything is stored in their data. But when we compare to W3 or Web 3.0, our transaction histories are more secure because there are miners like Bitcoin miners. They are already trying to secure our transaction, secure our data. They get some rewards through Bitcoins. We know the Bitcoin's prices are rising up. There are only 20 million Bitcoins and about 17 millions are mined. The 3 millions, only 3 millions are left. They are trying to mining them. So the more miners, the more secure your transactions, more secure your data. That's not depends on a person. The old data are not going to a person. That's going for a blockchain. If I want to say about blockchain, if a data is stored in there, in every block, if a new block is created, every block have a data of that block. If we have to try to, hack it, it's unimaginable. It's can't hack. We can't hack that because that much. The cryptography, that the main thing. The cryptography made that kind of things, and the blockchain also made that kind of things. I'm saying little bit of these kind of things. I'm saying just touch the basics of the what the Web 3.0, what is Web 2.0, what is Web 1.0. If you want to know about more details about Web 3.0, I will taking a detailed notes. I will taking a detailed thing in the next week. I'm pretty sure I will do this thing, because these kind of things, because our privacy matters. We are making that, what I want to say, the Web 3.0. We are still using Web 3.0. We call dApps, DAPPS, dApps. They are not this developing stage or starting stage of Web 3.0. The Brave browser, that's also a Web 3.0 application, or dApps application, decentralized apps. That's a full form of dApps. So it's a basic things. Our data are protected. They are not giving to a man. They are not giving to a centralized person. We can access, but it's complexity. Now I'm saying that it's scalable, and complexity is much bigger in Web 3.0. We have to. They are. I'm already saying that they are at the beginning stage or starting stage. We'll hope that our data will be protected, not to give a human. I'm hoping that I will waiting for the Web 3.0 apps or dApps, because I want my privacy protected. I don't want my data to be shared to a human. Thank you guys. Thank you for hearing. If you know about more, you can comment below. I will make another video about these detailed things in the next week. Thank you guys.